So, back in Hollow Knight Silksong, I didn't go too far from last video, I just went down. Like a passageway opened down here, and I just went to a bench. I'll prove to you. See, this is the Cogwork dancers. This is them. Okay? My goal is to make it through this area without dying. And the bad part, this is parkour. You know how bad parkour is with the joystick. So, that's gonna suck a bit. By the way, I'm this far into the game and I only have 5 mask shards. I mean, yeah, I only have 5 HP. Die. So fly, be free. No. No. Why does it respawn me back here? I heard the guy. We're gonna die. Bro, I'm trying to pogo! Why isn't it letting me pogo? Why isn't it? The one thing it's meant to do, it's not doing. Nothing paid but scuffed. Bro, why does pogoing not work? Wait, give me a second. Back. I'm probably gonna cut that part out, so if you're wondering why I said back, it's because I went AFK for a couple of seconds. I don't want to go down there. Probably going to die. Okay, we're back where I died unfairly. Perfect. Whistle cocoon added as a boost. Bro, he just blocks everything. Never thought there would be an enemy that I hate more than a boss. I hate joystick. Joystick brings me a level of dismay you cannot comprehend with a simple mind. As it is very not efficient and brings me a great sense of dismay because it's not working properly. It's making me die because of how scuffed it is. Can the Soulfly come here? Dude, I had to use Silk Spear on a stupid cogwork fly. Better give me a bench, so... Nope, why did I do that? If I don't get a bench, I'm gonna be a bit mad. Are you kidding me? What a perfect time to give me an enemy right now. I just want to attack normally, but it won't let me! He keeps making me down, Pogo! I don't want to Pogo! It's forcing me to Pogo! I just want to attack normally! Oh god, I'm getting to the scuffed part. That's why I hate this game. Or no, I hate this joystick. I really dislike this joystick. And I never want to experience this unfun experience with a joystick again. It just canceled my heal. Why? What? That's not fair! Well, I'm about to die just because this game can't. And when I want to down Pogo, it doesn't. This is so stupid. Dash doesn't work for some reason. Isn't that just perfect? Or wait, no, I just have to squish the button with all my might. What? How far do I have to go just to... Pinpoint precision just to attack is insane. you see how far he ran? Yeah, that's how much you're running, buddy. Finally, I can actually attack. I like how his outfit just disappears the millisecond I kill him. So much effort and work put into this game. And the details are so insane, right guys? Bro, what is this? Okay, you didn't have to put 4 enemies into one room. That's just a bit overkill now. Are we not going to talk about how lazy these enemy arenas are? You take a bunch of your enemies, pre-made, and you just spam them. You just spam them non-stop. You don't even put them in an order that correlates to the lore. You just spam random enemies. Don't you just love the hitboxes that are super scuffed, especially with joystick? This is Widow with less effort. Can this guy attack, or is he just gonna run? I'm done. I'm not playing.